Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green line annotation here is coming from. But want to get things updated here, as overall a pretty wild day, but from a technical perspective, the chart acted exactly how you would want to see it act. What do I mean by that? Well, if you've watched the past videos, then you should remember me talking about that purple line and how, yeah, from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, then that means, the bulls are in full control. And you can see right here, price came down this morning, found some support, and then got a very nice bounce from it. So just a beautiful example here of history repeating itself. This has already happened once before, and another nice bounce happened. Is history going to repeat itself like it did here and produce, that much more of a bounce? Only time will tell. There's no such thing as a guarantee. However, the purple line really is developing quite a nice little track record for itself as acting as support. So ideally speaking, yeah, you definitely want to see that purple line continue to act as support. And as we go into tomorrow, really the purple line is essentially the same value of this green line that I've talked about in the past. So right there at $1.40, $1.39, that's going to be that primary level of support. Now, if the price does break below there, am I saying that the entire chart is ruined? I'm not saying that. There would still be, possibilities for the bulls to build higher bases. But yeah, preferably speaking, definitely, ideally you want to see the price stay up above the $1.40 mark. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing really has changed there. It seems as though that first initial level is going to be right up there at $1.47. As random as that level is, just kind of, you would think $1.50, but right there you can very clearly see that yesterday in the afternoon the price just couldn't push up above there, and today the price got within the range a couple times. So if any sort of attempt to break and retest these highs up there are going to happen, that first bridge that needs to be crossed is certainly right there at $1.47. So all in all, the overall trend still is in the bulls' favor, and as long as those higher lows continue to be built, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.